Hello, this is a short video to show you how to set up the link that will allow students to access online tutoring. You can see on my page from my spring Math 141 class, I have a link here that will take students to the online tutoring from our campus. The way that you set that up is through the settings. Down at the very bottom, if I click on settings, it allows me to change which menu options show up here. Anything that has the I that's crossed out, those are items that the students cannot see. And so because this doesn't have that symbol, the students can see this. To decide what the students can and can't see, we'll click on settings here. And then anything up in the top is what the students can see. Anything down below is what the students can't see. To make changes there, I can click and drag something. If I move this down here to the bottom, go down all the way to the bottom and click Save, then that tutoring option doesn't show up anymore. Because I want it to show up, I'm going to click it and drag it up to the top. So if you don't see it, look down in this list below and move it up to the top. And then when you save, it will show up as an option for the students to select. You can also click and drag things around here to change the order that they show up on the screen for students. Hope this has been helpful. Send me an email if you have other questions.